Hello everyone, welcome to the Educon Community DBMS learning series. So today we will start from very basic of DBMS. So what is the DBMS? Means what is database management system? So basically a DBMS or database management system is a collection of interrelated data and set of programs. Okay. These two things, combinations to access those data, and it also manages the new large amount of data and supports efficient access to new large amounts of data. So I think it's clear. So now you will know what is the database. So database is the next point. What is database? The collection of data, usually referred to as the database, contains information relevant to an enterprise. So the primary goal of DBMS is to provide a way to store and retrieve database information that is both convenient and efficient. And database systems are designed to manage the large bodies of information. And management of data involves both defining the structures for storage of information and providing the mechanisms for the manipulation of information. So, in addition, the database system must ensure the safety of the information which already stored in the system. Okay. So, what we now we learn, what are the applications, means why we use it, applications of database systems. So we use some in some different applications, like in banking, airlines, okay, then several universities, then credit card transactions, credit card transactions. Next one is for telecommunication purpose. Then online retailers. Okay. So, so what are the purpose of database system? What are the purposes? Okay. So I think that one or two means purpose of database system. Clear? So one way to keep the information on a computer is to store in operating system. To allow the users to manipulate the information, the system has a number of applications, application programs that manipulates the files. And this typical file processing system is supported by a conventional operating system, and the system stores the permanent records in various files, and it needs different application program to extract the records from and add the records to the appropriate files. So keeping organizational information in a file processing system has a number of major disadvantages. So what are the disadvantages of such file processing system? The disadvantages of the file processing system, and for this reason we use mainly the database system. Okay, so what are the disadvantages of file processing system? So first one is data redundancy. Okay, the next one is inconsistency. Not consistent. Next one is difficulty in accessing the file data. Then integrity problems. Okay, then atomicity problems. I will discuss this in later. What is atomicity? Then the very important thing is that security problem. So to overcome these problems, we use mainly the database system. Okay, so that's for this session. Do like, share, and subscribe as much as possible, and continue with us.